Hello everyone, I'm back once again with the next video, and today's video is about our HR matrix. You have been asking me that, ma'am, what are the metrics I should measure? What is the difference between metric and KPI? So you are going to get that answer today. Hello everyone, I'm back again, and now let's start learning about HR matrix. First, let's understand the difference between HR matrix and KPI. HR matrix and KPI both are required to measure the health of the system. Then why? Why the names are different? There is a thin line difference between a matrix and a KPI. K means key. So key metrics are called as KPI. Because when you have to measure something, there could be thousands of things related to that you want to measure. But KPIs can only be one or two for a particular objective. The rest becomes metrics. Metric is the mathematical formula to measure the health of the system. I might want to measure speed, accuracy, volume, investment. That becomes a KPI. We have learned that in our KPI video, that KPI are mainly speed, accuracy, volume and investment for that particular objective. And the rest things which we want to measure, that are called as metrics. In HR, on mainly 12 different things, we have the metrics, like the metrics for demography. When I say demography, I mean how many male, females, my male versus female ratio, that means a gender ratio I want to measure. That's a demographic based matrix. Also, we have to measure our organizational cultural matrix. So when I say organizational culture matrix, I mean how many total number of employees I have, how many are FTEs, how many are permanent, how many are contractual workmen, how many are contractors. So these becomes my organizational cultural matrix. Now the third point on which we measure the metric is productivity. What gives the productivity? Absenteeism, overtime, so attrition rate, retention rate, total absenteeism, these all becomes my productivity matrix. The fourth point on which we measure the metric is recruitment. A very easy one. You all might be doing already, right? So we measure in recruitment how much time it is taking to close the position, cost per hire, shortlisted versus selected, offer given versus offer approved or offer accepted, the cost per vendor or cost per hire, the candidate onboarding feedback score. That all becomes my recruitment matrix. We also measure internal movement matrix. When I say internal movement, I mean I want to see how many years a person is staying in that particular position. That means average stay time per position, and how many internal movements are happening, how many people are getting selected from IGPs, from outside. So that helps me to see that, okay, from where I am getting more people transferred, promoted, demoted, that all comes in my internal movements. We also measure the next metric on the basis of training and development. Again, very easy, like recruitment. Yes. In training and development, we measure how many trainings been planned, time spent on training, money spent on training, ROI of training, candidate feedback score of the training, number of trainings given per individual, per employee. That becomes my training and development matrix. For performance, yes, average performance score, average competency score, these all are for performance. So you can say average KPI score or average task completed or total task completed. That all is my performance matrix. For succession, we also measure the matrix for succession. When I say succession, successor means the person who has been identified to fill the critical role in the organization. So we have to see how many people are the immediate successors, how many people are for the second down line, how many people are for the third down line. In the next few of my videos, I will be making you understand about succession planning. So then the things will be pretty more clear. For now, just understand that, okay, in this succession planning, we measure the matrix for the first downline, how many people are there, how many people are the immediate successors, the second downline successors, the third downline successors, average time that is taking a to fill the position from the succession planning. That all are the parameters or the matrix for the succession. We also measure the remuneration matrix. So when I say remuneration, I mean what's the average salary I'm paying, what is my compa ratio. So what's a compa ratio? Compa ratio is I have to see what is the average salary going in the market versus what I am giving. That's called as compa ratio. So compa ratio, total salary, average salary, that all are my remuneration matrix. With that said, we also do measure some of the engagement matrix. You have already learned that ENPS in my previous video. We also see the general HR matrix like total HRs, the HR versus the employee ratio, cost per employee, revenue per employee. These are the main matrix of the human resources. So what we learned today? We learned that when every year we have to maintain our HRIS matrix, and the metrics are divided into the different parameters like demographic, organizational cultural, productivity, recruitment, remuneration, general HR, performance, succession, L&T, leadership. These are the different domains on which we have to measure the matrix every day. Every day, every quarter, every month, depend upon your system that after how much gap you are measuring the matrix. If you have liked today's video, hit like, comment and share it with your friends. Do visit our website www.theskillrec.com to know about our other courses. Our pre-recorded courses are available on our application. Download the application and have access to all of our pre-recorded courses. I'll see you in the next video. By then, take care. Bye-bye.